Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
The next epithelial dystrophy is Meesmann's epithelial dystrophy. In Meesmann's epithelial subepithelial dystrophy, we have the defect is in KRT3 gene defect is present. It has an autosomal dominant inheritance and it has a tiny epithelial cysts are present in Meesmann's epithelial dystrophy. So a small epithelial cyst is seen, and this Meesmann's epithelial dystrophy will look something like this. Here there is Meesmann's epithelial dystrophy is seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.